Well, we had some showers this morning. Went out to do a little running and decided to go to the gym instead because this morning it was drizzly, kind of cold.
Yeah, I know. I was out there having to mow my lawn. My lawn has been growing so tall because of all the moisture that we've been getting. So,
I'll bet that was fun, mowing a wet lawn.
My lawnmower did not like it. But that's okay, guys. I finally got the task accomplished. Take a look at the Doppler radar outside right now, friends. While it is dry here in the Treasure Valley, look at that little line of thunderstorms that is developing and moving to the northwest of Mountain Home. In fact, as I zoom in with the Doppler radar right now, you're going to be able to see exactly what that line of storms is doing. Down towards Grandview, we're actually getting a little bit of lightning, but it has cleared Mountain Home, but it is just on the verge of moving into the Treasure Valley as we speak. Here's the live camera perspective right now. This is from the KBOI studios looking down toward the south. I'm going to kind of step out of the way so you can see that. On the right-hand side of the picture right there is where the leading edge of that thunderstorm is. So if you got plans to go out this evening, just know that the potential for showers and isolated storms certainly in the forecast for us throughout the evening. Now, the temperature readings are right around the mid-60s. 66 in Boise, 73 degrees right now in Ontario, 63 in Mountain Home, 57 degrees in McCall, and 50 degrees right now in Sun Valley. All of this associated with a very large and just kind of a disorganized area of low pressure that continues to spin around much of the Great Basin. It stretches with shower activity from California and Oregon right across the Great Basin, the Intermountain West, and now the leading edge of that surge of moisture stretching all the way down into the central and the southern plain states. That's how large the coverage is of this low. Now, what we're going to continue to see is some of these little waves of moisture feeding in from the east, moving toward the west. So the potential for showers, not just in the forecast tonight, but the models are insisting that we're going to continue to see one of these low pressure systems after another. And so that means is that we'll continue to see this potentially unsettled weather, like we had rain this morning, and then we had some sunshine this afternoon, and now we're potentially going to be seeing a thunderstorm moving into parts of the Treasure Valley this evening. And it's just going to be kind of catch as catch can the way it's going to be here over the next few days. Here we go. Treasure Valley tomorrow, Wednesday at about 8:30 in the morning. It looks like mostly cloudy skies, little spotty showers here and there. By noon, potential for a scattering of showers. Notice how the pattern is just really kind of unsettled. And this is tomorrow evening. Some showers and thunderstorms over the mountains, maybe a couple of more showers working their way up from the south and from the east. Looking ahead toward Thursday, same scenario. The potential is there, especially in the afternoon with some of the heating of the day. We could see some of these storms firing up. 7-day forecast on for the Treasure Valley will keep temperatures in the 70s for much of the week. Don't be surprised to see a little sunshine. Don't be surprised to see an occasional shower or a thunderstorm. I wish I could be more specific, but it's just impossible to be specific with this kind of a weather pattern, although it does look like we're going to get into some drier air here by late Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And the mountains will be seeing periods of rain, some of which could generate some thunderstorms as well, with hopefully drier conditions as we draw a little bit closer toward at least the end of the weekend. The first of next week is looking like we're going to finally get rid of these low pressure systems, and high pressure is going to rebuild for a while.
So what you're telling us is this is kind of the meteorological equivalent of chaos.
Correct.
Hard to predict chaos.
You're absolutely correct.
Okay. Thanks, Roland.
Okay.